welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the spring pressure regulator, and go up to 15 inch or up to 380 millimeter. It says the quality chrome vanadium steel forged to ensure the use of strength. 1.5 inch square hole can be used with a 1.5 inch DR driven tool or a 21 millimeter socket wrench. Lengthen and then widen unique thread design to ensure safety. So I ship with this box, and they come with two of this in case you need to change your struts, shocks, and you need to remove the spring because due to the high tension of those springs, it is pretty dangerous. So let's go and then open this up. By the way, I got this out of eBay for around 20 something bucks. So yeah, it's a good tool to have just in case you need to change your struts. Go and see what it look like. Oh my God. Oh. So here it is. So one side is loose, it's unthreaded, so it is easy move up and down. And then this side is threaded. So you can put your 1.5 inch socket right there, or you can use your wrench. So it's a pretty heavy duty build, not cheap, which is good. Oh, look at my fingers all dirty now, so. And then here's the other one. Yeah, it's pretty easy to turn, loosen, and tighten. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.